Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be coloring my hair a warm red brown. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, then just keep on watching. So I'm just showing you the before. Usually in the summertime I'll get some highlights, but as you can see here, they're growing out and my roots are coming in strong, so it was totally time to do something with this hair. To color my hair, I'm going to use this Mystic Divine Luminous Shine in 5 NRV and 4 CH along with 20 volume developer, and I'm just going to combine the two of these. I actually have a video that I did last year using these same exact products, so because I have thin fine hair, I'm able to get at least 2 if not 3 uses from the 2 coloring tubes. Jumping right in, I'm going to show you how I mix this. So I do equal parts of the 2 colors, which is 4 chocolate brown and 5 red violet. And then it's a 1:2 ratio. So what that means is it's 1 part color to 2 parts developer, and I'm using the 20 developer. So I'll do 1 part of the color and then 2 parts of the developer, and I do this a couple times just to make sure I have enough. I just eyeball it, I don't measure anything precisely. Now that it's all mixed, I'm ready to color my hair. So I just make sure I have on an old t-shirt, something I don't care about. That way if I get any drips or spillage, it's okay. And a lot of times I'll go ahead and section off my hair, but I decided on this night not to do that. I was just kind of in a hurry, and this was actually a last minute decision to color my hair. So I just went ahead and went for it. Using the point on the end of this brush, I do make parts in my hair about 1 inch apart just to make sure I'm covering my roots really well. Here I'm just showing you how much product I had left. Once I've covered my entire head, then I go ahead and start on the ends. So then I just start painting it down the ends of my hair, and then I use my other hand to kind of saturate those strands. I barely had enough product in my bowl to finish my hair, and here I was just about done, but I had my husband come and check the back just to make sure I got all the pieces. And once it's all done, I did take a little bit and fill in my eyebrows and used up the rest of the product. Next, taking a damp microfiber cloth, I'm just going to clean up the areas on my skin where I got dye. And then I'm going to let this sit for a good 30 minutes. Alright, so just to remind you of what the before looked like, as much as I love my blonde highlights, it does damage my hair, and it was just time for a change. So here is what the after looks like. It's so fresh, so much more rich in color and vibrant. I absolutely love this color and love this hair product. Again, this is my second time using it. So yeah, that is how I color my hair at home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye friends.